What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to record your computer screen on your desktop. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do, just open this site. Also you can record with OBS, but I choose Streamlabs. When you open this website you will see here download Streamlabs desktop. Click this, save installation and wait for download process. When you finish download Streamlabs, just open it. Go yes, and new Streamlabs window will open. You will see here Streamlabs desktop setup. Go here I agree, go install and wait for installation process. Also app will download Microsoft Visual C+, just wait for this installation. When you finish your setup like me, you will see here run Streamlabs desktop. Check this and go finish. With Streamlabs you can also stream on YouTube, Trovo, Twitch and Kick too. Okay guys, when you install Streamlabs like me, you will see this window. But first you need to add your mic and your desktop recording source. First click here on scenes and add new scenes. And go here on source and you will see here display capture. Display capture records all what you do on your desktop. Just click this and go add source. Go add source. Choose you here capture method, go on automatic and go here display, choose your resolution on your display, click this and go done. And you can see guys, we record now our display. To add mic, go source and find here audio input capture. Just go add source and choose your mic here. And you can see guys, I have my mic input there. But now go to settings and go here to video. Choose here your resolution from your monitor, also take the same resolution and go here 60 FPS and click here done. And that's all guys for recording your desktop or on your computer or laptop. You see here now rec. Click here start recording and you can see guys your recording is running. Just go to your videos. First you need to stop your recording to open it in your videos. And that's it guys, our new video. You see all is working correctly. If you need to stream on YouTube, I show you this in next tutorial. Just go here to stream and add your custom key and your URL. Just one more thing, go here to output and you will see here encoder. Choose it to NVIDIA, because when you choose software it will be laggy and your computer can freeze. Just choose NVIDIA and click this. Bitrate you need to choose like me. If you have better internet connection, choose it like 5000. Go here to output mode, you will see simple and advanced. In this case just choose simple, it's the easiest way. You will see here all. And go here to recording. You can also change your destination for videos. Just click here browse and choose what you want. I choose my videos and go here select. All videos that are we recording, go in folder videos. Recording format, choose it to MP4 and recording quality same as stream. And that's it all, click done and you have all set it up guys. Also guys, you can add here some scenes like intro and end of video. Type in comment if you want to show you how to add scenes and intro for your Streamlabs or OBS, for your live stream and else. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in next video. Bye guys.